Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to start with our chapter that is formatting a document. Chapter 6 and the page number is 51 of your book. Please open the page number 51. Okay. Then first of all, I would like to revise and I would tell you how to open MS Word. You have to click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, you have to go for MS Office. See, MS Office is there, Microsoft Office. Then you have to go for Microsoft Word. This was the way I am telling you again to open the Word is first of all click on the start button. After clicking on the start button, you have to go on Microsoft Office. And after Microsoft Office, you have to click on Microsoft Word. Whenever you open, the default name of the file is document1. You have to change it if you want to save the file. So today our topic is formatting a documents. Let's start and write something. Okay, I'll be writing. First I'll change the size, see, and I'll be writing chapter 6. The chapter name is formatting a document. Let's write few lines so that you all can see what is happening in it. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive this line we have written. Okay, what are the things from which we can make the formatting attractive? Formatting का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज को चेंज करना किसी ऐसे फॉर्म में जिसमें वो बहुत अच्छी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फॉर्म में लगे. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ इट इज वेरी सिंपल. नाउ फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज चेंजिंग द फॉन्ट टाइप. फॉन्ट टाइप हमको अगर चेंज करना है तो हम कैसे करेंगे? देखो, सबसे फर्स्ट टाइम द फॉर्मेट विच इज प्रेजेंट हियर इज कैलिब्री. सी ओवर माय माउस पॉइंटर इज कैलिब्री बॉडी. What we have to do, we have to select chapter 6. For example, I have to change this font. I'll go on the font style. I'll click whatever the style which I would feel like. See, I am feeling like this. I have changed the style. I'll show you again. Now I want to change the style for my heading also. I'll again go on this. I will click. I will select the style which I want to. Okay. This is how you change the font style. You have to go on home tab. In home tab, you have to go on font style. Just click it and select the style whichever you want to. Now let's see bold and italics. What is bold and italics? You want to select the chapter. Then see in the font home tab only there is a B button which means bold. See ये और dark हो गया है. See the light part will also become dark. If you click on bold, it will become a little bit darker. Okay, so bold means whenever you want to make a word dark black or in dark in color, you can make it bold so that it gets highlighted with the things. Like I have to format in a document, I want to make it bold. Just select it, go on home tab, click on bold and see this is done. Now I want to underline my tab also. Before underlining, I want that all this font should be in italics. Italics means a cursive handwriting. If you want it in a cursive one, just select the things, again go on home tab and click on italics. See, the font has been changed. It has been little bit tilted. This font is known as italics. Okay, this font is known as italics. Now, this formatting is written in a different way. I want it to be in red color. I'll again select it, home tab, color option, I'll select this blue color. See, I have selected this blue color, and see, my color has been changed to blue. This is the way you change the color. Now you will say ki ma'am, this chapter heading is in side, I want it in center. Then again select it. See, there are some options. There are some options, and you have to just click on this center alignment, and it will come to the center. If you want left side alignment, see, this is aligned to right, you can click on right, chapter heading will come at right. If you want left, then it will come to the left. And justified means for everything. You have made it in center, you want to get it underlined. See, I have underlined it. Now increasing the size, I want to increase the size. Again select it, go on the size tab, select the size. See, I have increased the size. I'll increase the size of my, this is the size, and see, this has been highlighted. All the things are clear, underlined, italics, and they are being differentiated. Now everything is looking good in it. This is the way you have to do the alignment. And after that, you have done the alignment, you have done the text. This is the only part which we are going to understand today. Rest of the things we are going to understand in the next class.